Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the Rex Oscillator Indicator for MT4. This momentum and trend following tool gauges market behavior by comparing the close to open, high and low values of the same bar. In this video, you will see what the oscillator calculates, how signals are presented and which key features are highlighted. The Rex Oscillator is a technical indicator developed specifically for MetaTrader 4 that measures market behavior based on the relationship of the close to the open, high and low values within the same bar. It is designed to help traders identify trend reversals and market momentum by displaying oscillating lines that reveal when the market might be shifting from bullish to bearish or vice versa. The indicator uses advanced smoothing techniques to filter out market noise, allowing traders to focus on the most meaningful price movements. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL inputs, and just like that, we have the indicator on a separate window on our chart. As you can see on the MT4 chart, the Rex Oscillator consists of two main components: a green line, as you can see here, that represents the oscillator's value and reflects current market momentum, and a red line, this over here, that acts as a signal line confirming the direction of the trend. When the line crosses above the red line, it indicates bullish momentum and signals a potential buy opportunity, while when the green line just below the red line, like we have over here, it shows bearish trends suggesting a sell signal. The color-coded lines make it easy to interpret market conditions at a glance, even for beginners. As for the settings, let's take a look at the inputs. The Rex Oscillator performs well across multiple time frames, making it suitable for scalping, day trading, and swing trading strategies. The built-in smoothing technique reduces false signals caused by random price fluctuations, allowing clearer insights into true market direction. The indicator can be applied to any Forex pair, index, or commodity, making it a flexible tool for traders of all styles. As for who is for, the Rex Oscillator Indicator is aimed at traders who want a momentum and reversal tool that helps spot shifts early and provides a competitive edge in capturing profitable trends. It works well as an exit indicator and as part of a larger set of indicators that work hand in hand, but alone it may be of less use. For best results, traders should combine the Rex Oscillator with other technical analysis tools such as moving averages, RSI, and support and resistance levels to minimize false signals and increase accuracy. You can download the Rex Oscillator Indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how the oscillator's momentum and reversal signals can support trend following and timing decisions. If you like smoothed oscillator tools with clear visual signals, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.